Hey there. So you've been applying for project management roles. You've sent out your CVs, you've been doing application, but you've just not had anyone calling you for interviews. Or maybe you've even gone for some project management interviews, but you've not been successful yet. What do? Do you give up and just hang up your hat and say, okay, I'm done with this? Or do you find someone who has the information to help you to ensure that you actually get the job you're looking for? That's where I come in. My name is Yudu Zola. I'm the lead trainer at Really Not Rocket Science. What we do is not just to train you so that you understand the core principles of project management. We actually hold your hand through the process with a lot of coaching and mentoring. We support you with your CV and with interview prep and mentoring, because it's one thing to get the job, it's actually another thing to actually sustain the job. And that's where we come in. We're your partners on the journey of helping you to get the job. I'd like to invite you to my final bootcamp for the year, which is holding at the end of October. It's online. It's holding over the space of 6 weeks. And in the space of that 6 weeks, you get to experience live projects. You get to work on live projects. You get to deal one-to-one with me and other very experienced people in industry to help build your network, your knowledge, and your competencies so that you nail the next interview you go for, because we'll actually show you what you're doing wrong and actually show you what to do better. So we'll hold your hand through the process, and it's a small class. We don't do big classes. Our classes are very little. And that's intentional so that you can have that one-to-one experience and that exclusive experience you really need. You have someone holding your hand through the process. So details will be on your screen. Contact us to find out more, and see you there.